Welcome to All by Woolly, where I share a free alteration tutorial. Here is the dress that I have to alter for the customer. Only thing we need to do is to adjust the sides, and as you see, this dress comes with the sleeves and also need to adjust it in the waist too. So I did pin on the customer to double check how much we have to adjust, and then I'll start working on it. So let me show you how. Every time altering any garment, I always double check and measure with my ruler how much I have to adjust. I will measure, let's say, underarm, and then I'll measure like kind of in the middle and then at the waist. So in the waist, I have to adjust half inch, and also I'll measure how far from the waistline down I have to adjust. So in my case, it's 5 inches. Same thing on the sleeves, so I have to go 8 inches long and almost 1 inch wide. Also, I will double check with my chalk and mark just in case. And then when everything is done, I'm just gonna remove all the pins that I don't need anymore. Every garment is sewn in different ways because it's made in different factories, and it also depends what fabric it's made to keep the design all together. As you see, my lining is sewed together with the skirt. I have to go through inside, and you can see the lining and the fabric is kind of like attached together. So first thing what we need to do, I'm gonna take the seam ripper and I'm gonna remove this stitch. We need to remove the top stitch, just how much will be for us comfortable to pull the lining and the fabric from the sleeve so we can adjust the sleeves as well. If you have experience, you can also use a razor blade. If you don't, please don't do it because you can ruin the fabric. So as you see, this is our fabric and this is our lining, and this is how much I have to adjust here. And then I'm gonna pull the arm line from the sleeve so I can mark how much I have to adjust. As you see, the lining and fabric is also attached, so to make sure the lining and the fabric is matching seam and it doesn't like twist when we wear the garment. Before we're gonna adjust, make sure you're adding a pin matching the seam from one side and other side. So I'm gonna mark on the arm line and all the measurements that I know and have to do. And after we transfer all the measurements, the easy peasy is just to sew it, adjust it. This is our waist, and on the waist we're gonna mark half inch right here, and this is our skirt. So on the skirt part we know it's around like 5 inches, so we're gonna mark exactly how where we have to finish, and this is our gonna be our final line. Okay, and then this is our half inch and 1 inch, so we have to kind of like draw the line. I know like right in the middle it was like 3/4, so that's how much we're gonna take in. And also after we're gonna take in, we will have to cut a little bit of allowance and then serge, because we don't want too much allowance inside. It's going to be, especially like underarm, is going to be very uncomfortable to wear. So now what we need to do is just sew, make a stitch, cut, serge, and our sides from basic fabric is done. And then we have to do exactly same thing with the lining. You also can open and taking in sides separate, but since I have to take in more than half inch, I will just fold and match my line, and then I'll mark exactly like 1 inch. It's like right here, and same thing on this side, so it's about 8 inches right here. And we're gonna adjust the lining as well. And then this is our waist, half inch, and the skirt part as well. So now after we marked everything, how much we have to take in, also make sure you got this right. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we're just gonna adjust lining and the basic fabric, and same thing, we're gonna leave half inch. I always leave extra just in case, and then search and all set. When I'm altering every single garment, I always leave plan B, because sometimes when customer is in stress, for example, or sometimes they losing or gaining weight, and in case if the customer want me to let it out a little bit because it's too tight or anything, I always have plan B to let it out. So that's why I always leave like half inch, depends on the garment, you can leave up to 3/4. So next, what we do, we're just gonna sew our sides, and at the end, we're gonna attach the lining and the fabric on the arm line and the waist. And that's all. If you have a good serger, the serger can cut while serging, but on my serger, the knife was not pretty good shape, so I had to cut before the serging. After serging, we can press it a little bit, and at the end, we have to attach. As you see, this is the arm line, and I will attach just a little bit with the stitch together, so that way it will be comfortable for customer to wear the dress. And also, not every time you have to do that on a garment, because the dress was originally like that. I always try to sew the dress originally how the dress was made before. After we finish, we're gonna hide the sleeve inside the lining, and also we're just gonna close our waistline just how the dress was before. And that's all, and our sides are taken in. Most important thing, when you sew, make sure the line of the seam match the line of the seam, and everything is sewed together. So here is our final result of adjusted dress. I hope this tutorial will help at least one person. I appreciate everyone, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and watching this tutorial. I appreciate each of you, and thank you also so much for all your comments. Wish you all the best.